Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a simple yet potentially very useful accessory for several popular DJI drones. These aluminum alloy motor caps designed for the Air 3S, Air 3, and the entire Mavic 3 series, including the Pro, Classic, and the original Mavic 3. These aren't just decorative pieces. Their main job is to protect the exposed motors on your drone. The motors are critical components, and keeping them clean and safe is important for the drone's longevity and performance. These caps offer protection against dust, moisture, splashes, and even minor bumps that could potentially damage the motor housing or get debris inside. What's interesting is the material they're made from. It's an ultralight aviation-grade aluminum alloy, finished with CNC precision. This material choice is smart for a few reasons. Firstly, being aluminum, each cap weighs only about 1.5 grams. That's incredibly light, and, as the manufacturer points out, it hardly affects the drone's overall weight or flight range, which is always a concern with accessories. Secondly, aluminum is known for its good thermal conductivity. This is crucial because drone motors generate heat during flight. The caps are designed so they won't trap heat and negatively impact the motor's ability to cool down, ensuring performance isn't compromised. One of the best features mentioned is that these caps do not interfere with the installation or removal of the propellers. This is a huge convenience. You can leave them on the motors permanently, providing constant protection without the hassle of having to remove and reattach them every time you want to change or store your propellers. This continuous protection means the motors are always shielded from the elements and potential physical damage when the drone is in storage, transport, or even during pre-flight setup. The black finish on the aluminum gives them a sleek look that matches the aesthetic of the DJI drones they are designed for. While they might seem like a small addition, the peace of mind knowing your motors are protected from common environmental hazards like dust and moisture, especially when flying in less than ideal conditions or storing the drone, is significant. Prolonging the life of the motors ultimately helps maintain the drone's performance and reliability over time. For owners of the compatible DJI models, these aluminum alloy motor caps appear to be a practical and lightweight solution for essential motor protection.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.